Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P0137 indicates a malfunction in the secondary heated oxygen sensor circuit, also known as sensor 2. The secondary heated oxygen sensor plays a critical role in monitoring the oxygen density in the exhaust gases of the engine. It converts this data into electrical signals, which are then sent to the Powertrain Control Module, PCM. The PCM utilizes these signals to optimize engine performance and reduce emissions. If the output voltage of the secondary HO2S falls below a specified threshold for a certain duration, the PCM detects a fault and triggers this trouble code. The importance of the secondary HO2S cannot be understated, as it directly impacts the vehicle's overall efficiency and emissions control. The secondary heated oxygen sensor, located in the exhaust system after the catalytic converter, is essential for measuring the oxygen levels in the exhaust gases. It monitors the exhaust composition and provides the PCM with crucial data to adjust the air-fuel mixture, thereby enhancing fuel efficiency and emissions control. The sensor's placement ensures that it can accurately measure the effectiveness of the catalytic converter. If the secondary HO2S fails or provides low voltage output, the PCM may not be able to maintain the optimal air-fuel ratio. This could lead to increased emissions and fuel economy issues, thus highlighting the sensor's critical role. It's important for technicians to understand its function and location when diagnosing DTC P0137. Several potential causes can trigger the DTC P0137. The first and foremost is a problem with the output voltage of the secondary HO2S, which may drop to 0.12 volts or lower, indicating a fault with sensor performance. Secondly, the wiring related to the secondary HO2S may have shorted to ground, affecting the sensor's ability to send accurate readings to the PCM. Lastly, an internal circuit failure within the PCM itself may lead to the misinterpretation of data from the sensor. It's essential to consider that the causes listed may not be exhaustive, and technicians should remain open to other potential issues as they diagnose the problem. Each component involved plays a critical role, and replacing one without testing the others could lead to recurrent issues. When the DTC P0137 is triggered, several symptoms may be evident. The most noticeable sign is the illumination of the check engine light, MIL, on the dashboard, alerting the driver to a potential issue within the exhaust monitoring system. Additionally, drivers may experience poor engine performance, such as symptoms including sluggish acceleration, rough idling, or stalling, which can arise from the negative impact of incorrect air-fuel mixture adjustments. Another consequence is increased vehicle emissions, which can lead to failure of emissions tests. Recognizing these symptoms can guide technicians and drivers alike that further investigation is needed to diagnose the underlying cause of the activated DTC. Monitoring performance may also indicate the sensor's condition before performing any diagnostic tests. The first troubleshooting step for diagnosing DTC P0137 involves starting the engine and holding the engine speed at 3,000 RPM without any load. It is critical that the continuously variable transmission, CVT, is in either park or neutral, or if it is a manual transmission, MT, should be placed in neutral. This step ensures the engine operates under specific conditions that are conducive to testing the secondary HO2S functionality. As the engine runs, technicians need to closely monitor the temperature of the engine, as it should reach normal operating conditions for the test to be valid. After maintaining this engine speed, the technician should allow the engine to idle, which will enable the observed conditions for the secondary HO2S output. This diagnostic procedure lays the groundwork for subsequent testing, providing a baseline of data to compare later results against. In the second troubleshooting step, the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, is utilized for retrieving diagnostic data from the vehicle's onboard computer. The technician must check the output voltage of the secondary HO2S using the upper-level features of the HDS, specifically looking for the recorded voltage values during the engine's operation. The ideal output voltage should normally fluctuate in connection to the exhaust gas compositions. A steady voltage reading of 0.12 volts or less for at least 5 seconds indicates that there is an issue with the secondary HO2S. Confirming voltage readings accurately is vital for diagnosing this trouble code, as a lower voltage could confirm a faulty sensor or wiring issue. The HDS serves as a chipset, making it essential in pinpointing faults and determining the subsequent steps. Once repairs have been carried out to address the causes of DTC P0137, it is important to verify that the issue has been resolved. This begins by clearing the DTC and related data using a scan tool. This allows the PCM to reset and start fresh diagnostic cycles. After clearing the DTC, the vehicle should be driven under conditions that replicate normal operation, enabling the system to recheck the functionality of the secondary HO2S. During this driving period, technicians should remain alert for the reappearance of any DTC. Successful completion of this step means the faults have been properly addressed. Proper verification reinforces confidence in repairs and provides peace of mind that the vehicle is safe and operating within emission standards. To prevent future occurrences of DTC P0137, regular inspections of the vehicle's exhaust system are necessary. These inspections should include checking the condition of the secondary heated oxygen sensor, along with the integrity of its wiring and connections. Keeping the exhaust system clean and free from damage helps maintain accurate readings from the HO2S. Additionally, regular maintenance of the vehicle, such as timely oil changes and correct fuel use, can prevent buildup and maintain sensor effectiveness. Monitoring for any software updates from the manufacturer can also enhance the performance of the PCM, as it may include improvements or fixes to the diagnostic protocols. Implementing these preventive measures ensures the longevity of the oxygen sensor and overall engine performance. In conclusion, understanding DTC P0137 and its implications involves recognizing the critical function of the secondary heated oxygen sensor. This sensor directly impacts both performance and emissions of the Honda Accord from 2012 to 2017. By following the outlined troubleshooting steps, technicians can systematically diagnose the issue, ensuring that all involved systems are assessed. The importance of accurate measurements cannot be overstated. The technician must ensure checks are conducted effectively. Additionally, ongoing preventive maintenance practices support long-term reliability and performance of the vehicle. By being proactive, we can not only tackle current issues, but also prevent future problems, ensuring a smooth and reliable driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time!